This unit is a large BOF drive for one of the large steel companies up in the Chicago area, and it's one of the most severe duties that we make a unit for. If you can imagine this housing sitting on a shaft that's 30 inches in diameter, almost 100 feet in the air, on the side of a large vessel. And the vessel is going to hold over 500,000 pounds of molten steel and pour that into ladles. And the reason it's such a severe duty is as the vessel tips, you can imagine as the lift comes up to tip the vessel over halfway, the load reverses, putting a tremendous load on the strength of the gear T. H&S has become one of the experts in repairing these units with the redesign of geometry from 50-year-old technology to 2016 technology. And we've established a place in the market to repair these units and make new. And all of the weight of this entire unit is supported on the 30-inch shaft in that bore, and also fit with 4 large tapered keys that go together in those Kennedy or cat ear keys that you see in the bore. H&S also offers the service in the field of scraping those keys and freezing with liquid nitrogen to support all of that weight. Now, it's not unusual for these units to last for 25 years if they're maintained properly. A couple of years ago, we got a call from a large steel company over in the Pittsburgh area when they had a failure on one of their large BOF units on the shaft 100 feet in the air. They tried for 4 days to remove the keys and to pull the unit off, but it had become frozen on with rust and corrosion on the shaft from almost 25 years of use. As most steel companies do when production is more important than gracefully taking something off, they will do everything they can to remove it. And in the middle of the night, they took a lance or a burning torch and actually burned through the keys in the hub all the way across the edge of the unit into the housing. We went out into a large warehouse and took a step ladder up on the side of the unit, and Bill and I both looked at each other at the same time and said, there is no way this housing is ever going to be repaired. However, the customer wanted us to give it a try, and on the way home in the car, we scratched down our ideas and cost of what it would cost to repair. Back in Cleveland, we talked to some fabricators about their proposals of what could be done based on simply the pictures that we had taken in the field. And we came up with a plan to actually repair the unit using our friend AAA here in Cleveland in our shop. And he was able to weld in new plates, and then we stress relieved the housing, totally remachined it by reparting and reboring all of the bores. And you see in the pictures how beautiful it came out, like a new unit. So Bill and I were wrong. It could have been repaired, and the customer was so pleased with our work. As he replaces the one in service right now with the unit that we just shipped, he's going to send us the old unit to repair in the same way that we did the other one.